Hi guys, my name is Gaurav Arora. I'm one of the world's youngest success coach. The name of this audio is Get Your Power Back. I've made this audio after understanding the concepts of neuroscience, after reading the books of the top giants, and after discussing this concept with many successful people. This audio will teach you the very powerful principle with the help of which you will be able to take yourself to the next level. When you were in school or college, you had been taught that marks are important, and after that you had been taught that the job is important. So whenever you take any action in your life, your whole focus remains on results. But when you focus on results, you get entangled in the waiting circle. Waiting circle is a circle of hope and negativity. Sometimes we hope that our results will come positive, and sometimes we develop negativity regarding our results. So when you get the bad results, or when you are aware that you will not get good results, you develop in your mind a state of anxiety and stress. You feel more distress and you do not feel any sense of internal fulfillment. On the other hand, if you will get good result, then you will feel the sense of internal fulfillment only for that moment when you get good results. And later, you again get entangled in this waiting circle. In short, when you make yourself dependent on results, you actually feel sense of happiness only for that moment when you get good results. And with the due passage of time, this happiness also get vanished. So now comes a very powerful part of this audio. If you keep your hand on your heart, then you will feel your heartbeat. So as soon as you focus on something, your mind pays attention to that particular thing. And if you will focus on negative thoughts, more negativity will come in your mind. If you will focus on something positive, more positivity will come in your mind. But what happens when you focus on results? Results are something which are never definite and which are never in your hand. And when you focus on things which are not definite and which are not in your hands, you lose your power because it is not in your hand and it is not even definite. I met one kid and he had left his school in class ninth only. I asked him the reason behind the same and he told me that his concentration was not good and his teachers and parents considered him as useless. Instead of developing the concentration and instead of focusing on personal growth, he developed self-doubt that he was useless because his focus was only and only on the results. Neuroscientists confirm that we all were born with the limitless learning capacity, but when we develop self-doubt, that self-doubt kills the genius inside us. And we do not use this limitless learning capacity for. But now the question is that if we should not focus on the results, then where we should focus? Always remember that actions are the genes of success. The less you will focus on the results and the more you will focus on the actions, the more results you will get. So I'm going to give you a very powerful tip now which will increase your focus towards the actions. Make a small diary or keep a journal and give it a name. I'm getting better and better. If we will learn for 2 hours daily and if we will contact 2 persons daily for making our business, then in a year we will give 730 hours to our learning and we will contact 730 persons in a year. As per the neuroscience, our brain works on the reward and punishment mechanism. When you will daily write your small daily acts of progress in your journal, then you will feel more connected with yourself and you will get your power back. It will work as a great source of motivation and you will feel more happy, more strong and more inspired. Writing the small daily acts of improvements will work as a reward for your mind. And the best part is that this exercise will develop a self-faith in you, and self-faith is that power through which you can buy the luxury of success. Thanks a lot for listening to this audio. I'm doing a seminar on 4th May, and the topic of the seminar is Develop a Burning Obsession, a never ending fire and a way to riches. If you are interested in increasing your power by 10 times, and if you want powerful tools to get successful, then please do come to this seminar.